This is The Sound of Erasing, digital painting by Greg Cannon. That's me. I am the Time Dog, and today we'll hear that sound. Mark Twain said censorship is telling a man you can't have a steak because a baby can't chew it. The only reason to ban books is to erase the truth. How much history do we ignore? Truth isn't black and white, and we shouldn't be afraid of the shades of gray. What we should be afraid of is a government that tells us how woke we're allowed to be, what we're allowed to learn, what we're allowed to think. Thanks for watching, and you'll see me next time on Time Dog Tours. Stay free.